This February pattern is going to be insane. Looking at our 500 millibar heights from the latest European model, we show how we're going to go from more zonal flow to begin the month to a much more trophier pattern, much more like a La Nina for the rest of the month, kind of mid-month and onward. The latest European also shows multiple storms possible over the next week to 2 weeks, with the first storm possible mid to late week, one over the weekend, and several more on the docket after that as we head toward mid-month. A large view of our EPS 500 millibar height shows us in the zonal flow for the next week or so, as we get a storm track to its west to east across the country with warmer air to the south and colder air to the north. What we're watching toward mid-month is that building trough in the western United States. With the building western trough, our pattern is likely to become a lot more troughy with our western trough and a building eastern ridge, which will likely make our storm track more amplified with more erratic motions in our trough, and a storm track with erratic temperature shifts possible as well. The middle to latter half of the month looks to feature a building trough toward the central United States with a further south storm track that may have Arctic air build further south with the ridge building over Greenland, and that is a Greenland block or a negative North American oscillation. Our latest GFS ensemble captures this pretty well, with significant snow likely across the northern tier of states into the interior northeast. The Pacific Northwest and West is going to get their fair share as well. And as that pattern shifts more south toward the mid to late month, that's where the south will see chances of cold air and snow. You're going to want to stay tuned to my updates, as this pattern is only going to get crazier as the month goes on.